The Ethereum dipped under 4,300. But what if it that claim before the storm? With the massive upgrade looming, the explosive ETF inflow, and the whale circling the market, ETH might just be gearing up to blow the past $5,000. And let's break, break it all down, right? So here's what ETH stand right now. As of September 7th, the price is hovering around $4,273, slightly above from the recent high above 4,300. Despite the dip, the mood isn't gloomy. Almost every top crypto is green today, with the ETH leading a modest rebound. The reason the investors are confident that Ethereum will push through a resistance and rally toward $5,000 soon. The multiple analytics are even eyeing a long-term target of $7,000 to $7,500, assuming the international inflow and upgrade continuous fueling momentum. Let's unpack the catalysts driving the bullish sentiment. What are the factors? Where the few factors are there which contributes to a bullish sentiment. So the first is a Fuchsa upgrade. The Ethereum is gearing up for a Fuchsa upgrade aimed at massively improving accessibility and cutting a gas fees. This enhance will make the network more usable than ever before. Second is the ETF inflows. Institutional demand is strong, but a big player like BlackRock, Graysales, and billion into ETH to the spot ETF products. Spot and also the spot Ethereum ETF inflow recently surpasses the millions of money. Third point is scarcity and staking, which is like over the 36 million Ethereum are locked in a staking and tightening the supply. This definitionary quizzes could the power price higher. So now let's talk about a price level to watch. Technically, the ETH faces a resistance between $4,530 and $4,550, a level it must break and hold to trigger the next rally. The analytics are watching closely. A breakout could see ETH quickly climbing to $5,000 to $5,300 with upside toward the $5,800 or $6,000 if the momentum continues. Beyond that, the institutional projects are technically modest, suggested a possible move towards the 7,500 by the late 2025. However, friends, the bears aren't out option. But if ETH fell at resistance, a drop to $4,000 or even lower than $3,800 could happen. And that's wake up level investor need to watch. The market implication, let's talk about it, all right? So Ethereum is just a coin. It's a backbone of DeFi, NFT smart contract, and future of money. You might feel like you are missed out from some rallies, but September could be the second chance. The institutional continues stacking ETH faster than Bitcoin right now. Despite market volatility, Ethereum consistently winning the trust of DeFi King, especially as a regulatory clarity builds. But there is a flip side. The upgrades needs to be delivered. The ETF flow needs to stay strong and stake. The stalkers need confidence in the protocol, and one wrong move could stake the balance. What is a age? So this is kind of bonus tip. Was the weekly close above $4,550 to $4,600? That's a chart close to set the tone for the rest of September. And also monitor ETF actively on-chain whale. Sudden spike in institutional accumulation or whale transfer can foreshadow the biggest breakout or move ahead. So ETH is about to break free or push toward 5K. That's the question mark. It's not a question of it, but when. More importantly, can it hold above resistance and sustain the rally to the end of the year? That's what the traders and investors are watching closely. And I'll be tracking ETH price action and the Fusca upgrade process, ETH inflow and on-chain data. So make sure you also see on this, right?